Chicken wings are very popular, and you want them to be homemade and delicious. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have a great chicken wing recipe for you with root beer chicken wings. So let's get started. Let's make the dry rub. Let's prepare the chicken wings. Set your timer for 50 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's make the sauce. Set your timer for a final 10 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Root beer has a fascinating history that dates back to at least the 18th century in North America. Pharmacist Charles Elmer Hires is credited with successfully marketing the first commercial brand of root beer in the late 1800s. During Prohibition, non-alcoholic root beer became even more popular. And of course, we all love those famous root beer floats. Those look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. And of course, this is what we all been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these wings are crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, coated in a sticky glaze that clings like a delicious memory. These wings are the ultimate game day indulgence or movie guest showstopper. Pair them with the amazing dipping sauce and a chilled glass of root beer, and you've got yourself a winning combination that's guaranteed to impress. Leave a comment at or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Nothing better than homemade and delicious chicken wings. Stay with us. Watch the next video.